What's up guys, how you doing? And welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll share with you another trading session and I'll teach you what to do if you cannot decide on a trade if you don't have any indicating signals. Basically, I'll analyze with you the strategy in details so you can make money after watching this video. Expect a very interesting trading session, so I highly recommend you to watch this video to the end. And straightforward, if you have any questions regarding your trading sessions and regarding anything concerning trading, you'll find the link to my Telegram in the description below this video. You'll also find the link to my private Telegram channel where I share daily trading signals. You can use these trading signals to make trades, and I also run weekly marathons to increase your capital from $150 and up to $5,000 in a week time. So make sure you join my Telegram channel and join the marathon. And also, to help you start your way into trading, if you text me today on Telegram, I'll send you the link to sign up for Pocket Option, which will give you 50% on your deposit absolutely for free, which is a good bonus to start your way into trading. So let's go straight to Pocket Option and kick off our trading session. Today we're trading the currency pair Australian dollar and the Japanese yen. We will work with 6% of our balance. I'll make an up trade for $150 and our trading time will be 1 minute. Okay, I want to note that only because of my long experience in trading binary options, I trade higher than 5% of my balance, but I would advise you not to trade with higher than 5% if you're a beginner, and actually should limit yourself to trading only 3% of your balance. My trading decision was based on the stochastic oscillator indicator. Its lines were in the oversold area and started to move out of this area. This indicates possible price rally. And as you can see, I'm also using the MACD indicator today to compare the accuracy of the signals. And when I opened my trade, I had green light in the histogram. That means there's a possible increase, and our trade closed the profit. We've added to our account $135. And after the trade was done, our price started to decline, but let's see what's gonna happen next. Okay, new candle reverses here and start to rise very strongly. Guys, due to such sudden changes and lack of indicator signals, it's difficult to find a new entry point into the trade. So let's watch the price and find a good entry point. The price is in consolidation right now, and we don't have a significant movement up or down. Guys, our indicators are not giving us any signals to open a trade, and the price is fluctuating, and this depends on many factors. Supply and demand is the main drivers of the price changes. Now, let me make a down trade for $150 for 1 minute. I made this decision due to the fact that the price has moved up during another correction, but after getting close to the middle line of the Donkin indicator, it stopped and failed to go higher. So the indicator signals only partially confirmed my decision. Ultimately, it was the market movement and the strong resistance line around the middle line of the Donkin indicator that made me make this decision and make a down trade. So that's pretty much it. And let's look at the chart. 30 seconds passed and the new candlestick is moving downwards. That's a good condition and a successful trade, and our trade closed the profit. We've added to our account $135. Let's move to our next trade, guys. After the trade was closed, the price couldn't break through the lower boundary of the Donkin indicator while it's very close to it. And the MACD indicator begins to signal a possible move down right now. But the price begins to rise and approaches the Donkin indicator middle line. The MACD indicator has changed the signal right now and indicates a higher price movement. Alright, here we see another candlestick and it broke through the Donkin channel middle line. Based on that, I'll make an up trade for $150 also for 1 minute. Let's observe now our price. The price went up after we opened the trade, but the rise was short-lived, and now it's fluctuating and kind of moving down. Despite the fact that the price is at the level we want, it is too early to talk about the result of our trade with certainty. It's now beginning to rise and is even approaching the upper boundary of the Donkin indicator, our resistance line. 30 seconds have passed and a new candle starts moving downwards. Okay, it's rapidly approaching the entry point of our trade. Okay, our trade closed the profit. We've added to our account another $135. The price today is moving in a narrow price corridor. After the trade was done, the price began to decline again. But at the same time, it cannot break through either up or down, okay? It is in the upper half of the Donkin indicator right now. Fluctuating price movement continues. So I'm gonna make a down trade for $150 for 1 minute. The stochastic indicator lines indicates a reversal and a possible downward price movement, and the MACD signals, on the other hand, a possible rise in price. So we have a confusion here. Our indicator signals are opposite to each other, okay? Confusing, but let's observe. The new candle doesn't show us anything. It starts to move down to the entry point of our trade and then bounces back up. And now we have another correction. Guys, we have a very complicated trade right now because of the opposite signals of the two indicators. Nothing is clear. All right, okay, our trade closed. We couldn't make a profit, but we didn't make a loss either. And we can conclude from this situation that a chance of a reversal right now is pretty high. So let's keep watching. After the trade closed, the price went down as we expected. But unfortunately, it happened later than we wanted. I have analyzed the price behavior during the last 10 minutes and I decided to open a trade. So I'll make an up trade for $150. I made this decision because the price couldn't break through the Donkin indicator lower boundary or the support level for more than 10 minutes now. And there is a possibility of a price reversal upwards this time. And as you can see right now, after we opened the trade, the price started rising and the new candlestick is also moving upwards. It's rising and is aiming for the middle line of the Donkin indicator. And right now, 30 seconds have passed and the new candlestick's open and is also trying to move up towards the middle boundary of the Donkin indicator, and having reached that Donkin indicator middle line, the price begins to fall right now. Okay, our take close profit, we've added to our account $135. Right now, I'm gonna make a down trade for $150 for 1 minute. I made this decision because the price was close to the lower boundary of the Donkin indicator or the support level. It managed to go below that support level, which was unable to break through it for the last 10 minutes. And so I can assume that the price will continue to decline. So the price declined slightly and then went above the entry point of our trade. And now it's gradually descending. This trade is no exception in the series of unclear trades that we made in our today's trading session. 30 seconds passed and I have all the hope in the world for a positive outcome of this trade. Okay, our take close profit, we've added to our account $135. That's an amazing result, guys. Now the price starts fluctuating at the support level of the Donkin indicator and it actually broke through it. A new candle tries to go down, after which a reversal occurs and the price is starting to go up. The stochastic and the MACD indicator show no signal for a reversal. Under this condition, I'll make a down trade for $150 for 1 minute. So let's see what's going to happen next. Okay, after we opened our trade, the price corrected downwards, but then it returned to the entry point of our trade only for a short period of time and then it declined back again. And the new candle is in a stable movement. We do not have any clear signals here. But right now it's at the level we wanted, below our entry level. Now the price drops, bounce back up, back again, and our to close the profit, we've added to our account another $135. That's an amazing result for today, guys. Yeah, guys, that was tense. That was really stressful. Like, I'm on the top of my nerves right now. And thank God we closed our trade at profit. In our today's session, we had a very narrow price corridor and it had sharp fluctuations, which made it really difficult to make a decision to make an up trade or a down trade. And when it comes to indicators, they turned their back on us, okay? Opposite signals from the MACD and the stochastic oscillator, so it's pretty confusing. But in the end, we went through that and we managed to make a profit. 7 trades, 6 of which were successful and 1 of them was not profitable. No profit, no loss, okay? And we managed to make $810. And once again, I want to emphasize, technical analysis is your only friend in this battle. And when I say technical analysis, that's not just indicator signals, it's also the market analysis and the price behavior. And just today, when we analyzed the market behavior and the price movement, we managed to make a profit regardless of the confusing signals of our indicators. So by and large, I consider our today's trading session pretty successful even though it was really stressing and sometimes confusing. And if you have some hard feelings for indicators today, I still recommend you to use indicators in your trading sessions. And don't forget, I always talk about the risk, guys. When you reduce the risk, you'll still make a profit over the long run. And the last thing I want to say for today's video, keep learning and keep trading binary option, guys. Because as you saw in our today's video and in the previous video, and as you will see in the next videos, the analysis in binary options is not complicated at all. And if you still have any questions, in the description below this video, you'll find the link to my Telegram where you can ask me any question you have, and you'll also find the link to my private Telegram channel where I share daily trading signals, and I also run weekly marathons to increase your balance from $150 and up to $5,000. So make sure you join us, join the marathon, and join my Telegram channel, okay? And if you text me today, I'll send you the link to sign up for a pocket option, which will give you 50% on your deposit absolutely for free as a bonus, which is a good bonus for anyone out there who wants to start trading. So guys, I hope you enjoyed our today's video. And if you find this video useful, please give it a like, leave your comments down below, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.